Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm a 37-year-old mom. I've lost 65 pounds on keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I'd really like it if you gave me a clicky. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do daily keto vlogs, recipes, my macros, all the fun stuff. This is what my boyfriend is doing right now, because I ordered a skillet and they put hash browns underneath, and I don't even think this is my correct order, but
I will not allow it.
What a waste though.
I will
because
eat
look
all
at
of
how
the
much
potatoes
are in it. So he's gonna like dig out everything. He was like, keto sadness, and I was like, yes. I was gonna go put a bra on and go to the store and just buy all the meats and make it.
Extremely careful. There's a potato. I can't have this.
There's one right there. Isn't that one right there? Yeah.
Damn, this is harder than I thought.
Yeah, see, I might as well just go buy the stuff and make a damn skillet myself.
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah.
This is everywhere.
They put a ton of potatoes in there. A ton.
Well, here's an egg. You like eggs, don't you?
Damn it. So, I threw on a change of clothes. I still am looking like a hot mess because I still have yesterday's hair. I'm just running right across the street to the grocery store to get some eggs, some, I have ham, I have bacon, so I'm just gonna get some sausage and some cheese, and I'm gonna make my own skillet for everybody. I gave the skillet that I had, which was mostly potatoes. He dumped the whole thing out on a plate after I stopped recording, and it was mostly potatoes, which makes me angry because it did not mention potatoes. And when they asked me if I wanted toast, I said, oh no thank you, I can't have breads or any of that, just the meat and eggs and cheese. And then they load it with like that many potatoes. Whatever. I went brain dead for a second. I'd go back, but we waited 20 minutes for that in the drive-thru, and it's far away. So somebody's gonna eat it, so it's not going to waste. But I'm still hungry. That doesn't help me out any. So go in here and buy these couple of things. Alright, so I am making my own skillet. I am making my sausage right now, and then I cut up the bacon and I'm cooking that up. I'll show it to you in a second. I just wanted to say, I love supporting smaller YouTube channels. Smaller than me, same size as me, bigger than me. I love supporting all keto YouTube channels, and I think it's very important that we as a community all support each other. With that being said, I want everybody to know it's very difficult, the larger your channel gets, to not only keep up with your own channel, but to watch all the channels. So I subscribe to over 200 keto channels, and I try my hardest to watch and comment on them, as well as the ones that I have always watched before I started my own channel, the larger ones, you know, and my friends and everything like that. I try my hardest to keep up with that. But as my channel grows, it's a lot harder to reply to all of my comments and make my content and watch those. So if I haven't commented on any of your videos recently, please know I'll get around. I need to make my rounds. I'm so sorry. I feel so guilty about this. It's something that's been weighing heavily on my heart because I want to support everybody and I want to be there for everybody, and it's just hard, and I don't want to ever have anybody feel that I'm ignoring them. I actually had somebody, another smaller YouTube channel, actually feel that way. They actually wanted to do a collab with me, and we never got around to it. We never really discussed it, and they kind of unleashed on me. They went off on me and blocked me, and that's fine. I'm sorry, but it's something that weighs heavily on my heart because I don't want anybody to feel that way. I supported that channel. I constantly would support them on Instagram. I supported them in private messages, but I mean, I can't change how somebody feels. So unfortunately, that happened, and it's been weighing heavily on my heart. But all I can do is continue to try to support everybody and share your guys' content. And I love our community, and I never want anything to change, but please know I watch, and I have a lot to watch, and I do watch you guys. I watch you guys every second that I have of free time, and I was actually just about ready to turn, you know, to go to my subscriptions and start just going through them and start watching them while I'm cooking. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. It may seem silly, but that's just something that I've been thinking about. So, all right, I'm going to go start watching and then get back to cooking. All right, so here I cut up most of the remaining ham. I gave a couple of pieces to Link. This is the sausage. I'm just like, I like my sausage to be like, I mean, yeah, sure, that's cooked, but I want it to be like, you know, have a little crisp to it. And then I have the bacon going right here. So after this gets done, I'm going to weigh out however much meat I'm going to use of this, so I know the exact amount, because girl, I need to start tracking back again. I put on 5 pounds of water weight this weekend, y'all, and I need to get rid of it. So tracking, tracking, tracking. No snacking, snacking, snacking. So this is what I have meal prepped. I'll have this, I don't know, dinner, lunch, not sure, because I don't usually eat breakfast. I usually do some intermittent fasting, but I just added 4 eggs to the remainder of this. I weighed out what I have 57 grams of the sausage, 30 grams of bacon, and 59 grams of the ham, and then 99 grams of egg. I'll put some salt and pepper on that, and that's what I'm going to have. Oh, I'm going to put some cheese on that too. And I need to add some in here too so it can melt. And then that's it, guys. Pretty easy. I'll put the macros up. Oh, 14 grams of cheese. And then I just threw that in here, and I'll just mix this up. Hey guys, I cannot remember if I told you the weigh-in. The damage from the birthday weekend tortilla chips. So, weighed in this morning at 237. My lowest is 232.0. So, I have 7 pounds of water weight to get rid of. Yep. So, that's what I'm working with. Those are the repercussions of a cheat day. I'm not beating myself up about it because I could have gone all out. You know, I could have had cake and just all the carbs. I chose to just have some chips and salsa and not track for the weekend. And I probably should have tracked as I was struggling before, but as I continue to say, it is a lifestyle, and just as you would celebrate for anything else in your life, I celebrate it. But then after your celebration, it's time to get back to normal. And I go back to work tomorrow, and normal routine is happening, and I think that's going to be helpful. I've meal prepped 3 days worth of lunches. So I have that thing that I had this morning. I have 3 of those prepped and ready to go. And I've got good options in the house, and I'm can't think of the word. I am excited to get this water weight off. And hey, maybe that's what I needed to get myself kicked, you know, my butt kicked back into gear. And I'm excited. So, and that's good. So we're off to go clean out the car and pick up some batteries and I just got done cleaning the house. I'm bored. I get bored after Chris leaves. What?
It's just bad.
What? So I'm preparing my dinner. I have, what is this? Two chicken breasts in here. I'm going to use one. I have the rest of this romaine. I'm going to have, this is probably less than a cup of faya yogurt. I'm also going to mix in some of this iceberg lettuce into this just to add more. What else am I going to have for dinner? I was going to make some green beans, but I think I'm going to save the green beans for tomorrow night for dinner and have that other chicken breast just with green beans. I have a lot of leftovers, you guys, from just different days. I think the kids will probably have the rest of the pork loin and the potatoes. And yeah, I don't know. We'll just spruce up this salad nice and big and get me nice and full. Here it is. This is the finished product. I will pop up the macros here on the side, but basically I didn't use any iceberg lettuce, and I'm not going to have any of the yogurt because this, in fact, is going to complete my macros and put me over a little on fat and a little on protein. It's the Olive Garden Ranch, one of the avocado smash cups, 2 slices of the Meyer extra sharp cheddar cheese, 1 chicken breast, and some romaine. And that's it, guys. It's gonna be pretty fulfilling. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I'm about to take Link for a walk and get my exercise in for the night. It's cooled off outside. And then I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm just gonna probably watch TV for the rest of the night. I am done eating for the night. I will post my final macros. I didn't eat anything else that you haven't seen. I'm full, I'm content. I just have to keep my mind busy. So I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys are having a great Sunday.